Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, let me share you how to connect this Realme Buds Wireless 5 Bluetooth neckband earphone, and also this neckband earphone is supported with the dual connection. So let's explore how the dual connection is actually works. For very first time connection, it's very easy. So once you unpair this buds from the magnetic lock, then it will be automatically turned on and will be connected to your first device. And if you are trying to connect to any other new device, and if you are still not able to see the Google Fastpair dialog box means, then you need to enter the manual pairing mode. To enter the manual pairing mode, firstly take off these buds from the magnetic lock. After that, now in this control box, you have to just press and hold this center button for 6 times continuously, and also just wear any one of the buds so you can able to hear that beep sound. So that is the indication for the manual pairing. Now I'm going to do 1 2 3 4 5 6. So now I'm able to hear some digital sounds. And also if you are having any Android smartphone nearby, you can able to see this Google Fastpair dialog window. You have to just click on the connect, then it will be instantly connected. So now the device has been connected, and just click on the done. So now it actually connected. Now once you connected, now you have to just install the Realme Link application. So just go to the Google Play Store and search for Realme Link. So here is the application Realme Link. Install this application. I already installed. So after install, if you already connected this neckband with your Bluetooth setting, then it automatically synced with the Realme Link application. You can able to see the Realme Link application under this My Device section. So here you can able to see the Realme Buds Wireless 5. In case if you're having any problem with the syncing your neckband with the Realme Link app, then just click on this Me tab and then go down, and here click on the settings. And here you can see the sign out option. Just sign out your account from the Realme Link app and again try signing in. Then you can surely able to access the Realme Wireless 5 neckband in your My Device section. So now here just click on the device. Now once you're on the dashboard of Realme Buds Wireless 5, so here you can able to see the dual device connection. Click on this. Now here enable the dual device connection. Then in whatever new device you need to connect this wireless neckband, just take the device and go to the Bluetooth settings and enable the Bluetooth. Now again in your Realme Wireless Neckband 5, in this center key, press and hold for 6 seconds continuously. So I'm doing now. So after holding for 6 seconds, you can able to see the Google Fastpair dialog box window. If that device is Android device, click on the connect. If that device is an iPhone or a laptop or any PC means, you can find the Realme Buds Wireless 5 Bluetooth neckband in the Bluetooth available device list. Just click on that device to pair. Now after connected, now the Realme Buds Wireless 5 is connected to the second phone, and still it's already connected in the first phone as well. So this Realme Buds Wireless 5 supported with the dual connection always between two devices. Now I am going to do some media playback. Now the audio is actually playing from this device. It's a first device. Now I am going to playing the audio in the second device in the OnePlus phone. So I am going to play the audio in the second device. Once I click the play audio option in the second device, it's still not playing. But if you want to play the audio on the second device, you need to pause the audio on the first device. After pausing the audio on first device only, in the what the audio content you are playing on the second device, that actually playable through the Realme Buds Wireless 5 neckband. This is how the media controls is actually working between the dual connection on this Realme Buds Wireless 5. And similarly, if you are getting any calls also, that is not an issue. In both this device, wherever you are getting call, and after that you can easily attend the call using the neckband itself. And after connected with the dual connection, if you don't want any of the device to be connected in the dual connection, again go to the dual connection settings. So you can see the list of devices here. Just click on that particular device. It asks for disconnect or not. Click on the OK. So then that particular device has been disconnected. Now in the Realme phones, it actually disconnected automatically. So it's not connected. So in this way, you can able to control where this neckband to be connected, in which device it should be connected. You can able to control that from your main device. Well, now these are all the connection methods and the dual connection process and application features on the Realme Link app for this Realme Buds Wireless 5. And also I'll share some of the audio quality details also. And also I shared my experience on the audio quality as well on this Realme Buds Wireless 5 ANC neckband earphone. So this is a recent launch. I have given the product link in the description, and also the product links will be in the product. Well, that's it on this video guys, and hopefully if you like this video, hit the like and subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching this video guys.